A person is bleeding heavily, and every second matters. Severe blood loss can become life-threatening very quickly. Knowing these simple first aid steps could save a life.
First step is to make sure the scene is safe. Wear gloves or use a barrier if available. Call emergency services immediately or ask someone nearby to call. Thereafter, apply direct pressure. Find the source of the bleeding. Place a clean cloth, gauze, or dressing directly over the wound. Press firmly and continuously with both hands if necessary. Do not keep lifting the dressing to check the wound.
Next, if you see blood soaks through, do not remove the original dressing. Keep applying firm pressure and add more gauze or cloth on top. Deep or life-threatening wounds. For a deep wound, trained responders may pack the wound with gauze or a hemostatic dressing while maintaining firm pressure.
For severe, life-threatening bleeding from an arm or leg, a commercial tourniquet may be needed. Place it above the wound, not over a joint, and tighten it until the bleeding stops. Do not loosen or remove it. Note the time it was applied. Keep the person warm, monitor their breathing, and stay with them until help arrives. Remember, press hard, act fast, save a life.